My name is Keane. I have had the honor of representing children who are abused in civil cases around the country for the past 30 years. These cases have many layers to them, and they're more challenging than typical plaintiff cases, the sort of damage that happened with shaken baby syndrome or abusive head trauma, mixed with multiple fractures in addition to bruising of the baby. One of the big issues on a case like this is, even though the nature of what happens to these babies is horrific, in the end, defendants and insurance companies, they look at damages. The significant factor and reason to use animated videos in a situation like this is that it really demonstrates the power disparity between the abuser and the abused. This stuff happens when nobody's watching. That will make it more convincing that the damages were in fact inflicted and are significant. I start thinking about how I'm going to tell the story as soon as I get the case. And so that's why I use DK, because they help me tell the story the way I want to tell it. So the visuals that were created was a story basically from start to finish, and it was a interplay between actual evidence to bring the still shots to life. Oftentimes, sadly in these cases, there are multiple occurrences where the baby has been abused. Signs of the injuries appear to people who are mandated reporters, who are then mandated by state law to report those signs of abuse to child welfare services. And then basically figure out how much time there was, had a report been made, for Child Protective Services to then start that process. On this particular case, it involves bruising on babies who can't walk yet. And if a baby can't walk, unless there's some rare condition, the bruise is inflicted. And an inflicted bruise on a baby is abusive. And so babies who show up with bruises, that is a serious red flag that needs to be reported. I think DK has done it better than anybody I've seen, and I've practiced all over the country. And I think their videos are outstanding, the team is outstanding, and it really helps tell a story in a complicated case where there is no video of how it happened in 99 out of 100 cases. The way I handle any case for a child is I treat the child as if they were my own, or if I were coaching the child. Like I care about these kids. With the help of the DK Global visuals and the animation that we were able to create, we were able to tell the entire story. And I was proud of the work that I did on the case, and I was very proud of the work that DK Global did on the case, and we did our best for this baby.